Bharat Ke Mahavir, celebrating India's selfless heroes. Co-powered by payments on Amazon.in, MeTV and Dell. An initiative by Discovery, United Nations India and Niti Aayog.
साल 2020 ह्यूमैनिटी के सामने आया एक बड़ा चैलेंज, एक ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक, और फिर सामने आए कुछ बेमिसाल हीरोज। मदद का जज्बा बन गया उनकी हिम्मत। We salute every Mahavir who became the hope of millions. Resources कितने भी limited हों, सबसे important है intention. In one of the aspirational districts, एक रेडियो स्टेशन हर लिमिटेशन को पार करके बना अपनी कम्युनिटी का सहारा।
वो एक दूसरे के साथ नजदीक आने से।
नमस्कार साथियों, आप सुन रहे हैं आपका अपना सामुदायिक रेडियो मेवात।
During the pandemic, to create awareness, we started making our programs and we started broadcasting from 20th itself.
कोरोना वायरस का प्रकोप फैला हुआ है।
कोरोना काल के लिए लोगों को अवेयरनेस करने के लिए रेडियो मेवात ने यहाँ पे PSS जिंगल्स रिकॉर्ड कराए, जैसे कि लॉकडाउन में आपको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, कहाँ जाना चाहिए, कहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए, उन सब के बारे में जानकारियाँ हमने दी।
We decided to start this whole mask making campaign. It gave them economic independence and it gave them livelihood. During the pandemic, children started listening to our programs on radio tuition. And we were able to keep the system of education going. Radio Mewat has played a very crucial and pertinent role in keeping lives safe, keeping them informed, providing education and providing livelihoods.
From the undaunted spirit of a community radio station to the unwavering commitment of an 85-year-old mathematics teacher in Chennai, she stepped up to ensure that missing school did not mean missing out on maths practice.
I am passionate about teaching. Lockdown, I thought that was a very good opportunity for me, and I thought, let me make good worksheets. At least 10 hours a day I used to work, and I finished 100 worksheets in 15 days. So then the friend of mine, she said, why don't you upload it on a website? That's how I got in touch with Siddhant Sinha, and he was very, very eager to do that for me. And so we got together and we started working on it.
Initially, it was pretty difficult to work with Saroja aunty, but over time I realized, that because her demands, they make sense and her perfectionist levels need to be met.
He was the one who named it Math Fund, and I really liked it. So that's how it came to my mind that whatever money I would get from it, I would donate it for the PM Cares Fund. So therefore, it serves a double purpose. That is, they have had education and they have contributed towards a good cause. And I think it is really very, very satisfying for me.
Saroja's creative worksheets served a dual purpose, education and fundraising, while two fitness enthusiasts in Bengaluru pulled out the younger generation from boredom and negativity by giving them the choice of an active lifestyle.
More than a pandemic, it was also a mental pandemic. We were all just stuck at home, so with home workouts and all of that, and I said, why not just do this for a community? So that was the beginning of COVID Fit Club.
We started with cardio exercises mostly, and now we have diversified to include strength building, dance fitness, yoga, and dietary plans in our fitness regimes.
COVID Fit Club, on one hand, benefit the mental and physical health of our students, and on the other hand, we can essentially donate to COVID relief. As of now, we've raised over 5.5 lakhs.
I feel that fitness is extremely fun, and teaching it makes me even happier.
We have really grown a lot with this key motivation. We really want to pursue this further, possibly growing to as large as we can in the future.
जब कोई एक मदद के लिए आगे आया, तो हजारों और जुड़ गए। रेडियो मेवात, सरोजा सुंदरराजन, आकाश राघवन और रोहन रे, भारत के महावीर, इंडिया's selfless heroes.